Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Today I'm joining a new YouTube hop called Christmas In, and every month there's a group of scrapping YouTubers who do a hop of a Christmas layout. So it is June, so it's Christmas in June. And what I'm using is the Gnome for Christmas collection by Echo Park Paper, sorry. And this is what I am scrapping. A really old photo, 1969, of me and my brother with Santa. I love my little red patent leather shoes, and I don't look very happy there, do I? But anyway, that is what I'm scrapping, and I'm actually using a sketch because my brain would not gel and I didn't know what I wanted to do. I had so many ideas going around in my head, so I went, okay, let's get a sketch, make it easy on myself. So I'm doing this one, nice and simple, and let's see how I go with that. So I've chosen really simple 2 papers, some embellishments. Let's see what I can do, and let's get this page started. Okay, there's my page. I think it's really pretty. I had to bring in some patterned paper. It was an old tag that I had in my stash. I needed something under the wreath. I was going to use this frame. On the other side was red polka dots, but it blended in with the paper too much, so I just flipped it over and used the white. And then I felt I needed something under the wreath, but in the end it's not really seen because the fa la la goes over the top. But anyway, and because I used it there, I felt I had to use it down here to be a base for this little cluster. And boy, did I fiddle with this cluster. It took me ages to work out what I wanted there. What I originally had didn't work. I wanted to use this holly, but it blended in with the wreath too much. So in the end, I just used a floral spray sticker, put it up on dimensionals. And I had a bit of dead space here, so I used the top of the tag and tucked it under to cover the dead space, because when I originally put this cluster together, I had this red one underneath. I'd slipped under the photo, but for some reason when I put it on, when I was actually doing the layout, sticking everything down, I didn't tuck it under, and then I had these white gaps where the scallops are on this side. So I went, oh my gosh. So I used the top of the tag there to tuck under there, and then it had the hole, and I went, well, I don't want to put an enamel dot on the hole. So I went back to the stash and found a red bow that was already made up, so stuck that on. I know it's the only bow, but it doesn't matter. I did have another flower, another two of these flowers to use. Sorry, I was going to put one here and one down in this cluster, but I think it was going to make this cluster too big, so I wanted that, the bigger cluster, that the next size down, and then this is the smallest one. So putting those on would have made these two too big. So anyway, that is my layout. If you have any questions about anything I've used, any techniques I've used, not that there was many techniques, I was just gluing and sticking, then please comment below. And yes, I realize this paper down here is crooked, but if you're used to watching my videos, you know that it's not one of my layouts if there's nothing crooked. So I should rename my channel, shouldn't I? The Crooked Scrapper. Anyway, that is my page. Make sure you check out everyone listed below who is playing along this month. This is my first month playing along, and I think it's really cool. I'm going to keep playing along because Christmas time, you don't have time to scrap your photos, so they sit unscrapped because you don't normally scrap Christmas throughout the year. But doing this every month, I will get these photos done, which is really cool. If you've liked this layout, please give me the thumbs up. If you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.